Okay, great. So we are going to go through the nose of the wine, which is cool. So that is the second part of tasting. And so first you do the sight, and then you're going to do the nose, which is the aromas, and then we will do the palate, and then we'll do the initial and the final conclusion, and that will be how it goes. Okay, first of all, we want to go ahead and swirl it. Smell. So we're going to tell this wine is clean. So make sure it doesn't have any faults. It's a sound wine, so I don't get any vinegar. I don't get any Brettanomyces on this wine, which just basically means I don't get any barnyard, nothing like that. Volatile acidity, which is the vinegar. Ethyl acetate, I don't get that. Do I get any TCA? I don't, which TCA is basically means that wine is not corked. And I don't get any oxidation. Doesn't smell like sherry. We're in good shape. The intensity on this just means how the aromas develop in the nose, and that's going to be moderate plus because it is, I can smell it up here, so that's moderate plus aromas. It is a very youthful wine. It does have a little bit of a development there. And for fruits, I get more baked fruits. Baked apple, baked pear, baked lemon pie. I do get a lot of spice off of this, vanilla, ginger snap cookies, a little cinnamon on the nose. There's definitely some baking spices as well, so I'm getting a lot of oak contact. There is a lot of yellow flowers, super pretty. Definitely some orange blossom here too, some tropical notes, a little mango as well, lots of pineapple with this. And there's like a butterscotch characteristic, which definitely leads me to think that this has something called malolactic fermentation. I don't get a lot of earth aromas on it. It smells more like, I do get a little bit of like a rockier type soil. But for the most part, the minerality is not, it's not as mineral or earth driven. It is more fruit forward and more oak contact on this specific wine. And that is how you nose the wine, and that's the aromas of this specific wine. And already I will kind of let you know I'm thinking that this is a New World wine instead of an Old World wine, but until I go to the palate to confirm it, I'm not positive. But it's got a lot of tropical fruit. The aromas are pretty big, so I'm already thinking that it's probably a warm climate. And then now I'm thinking of what country that this could be from already in my mind, and I'm already thinking about what grape, and what grape has malolactic fermentation contact, and I'm getting that butterscotch aroma. But I have to be sure, so then I'm going to go to the palate, and then I'm going to make some more conclusions. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed the aromas and you kind of learn how this goes. All right.